Deciphering, write-off, what does it mean? Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning of the phrase, write-off. This is a term you might come across in different contexts, and we're here to help you understand its nuances. So, let's dive in. Write-off originally comes from accounting terminology. In accounting, when an asset's value is reduced to zero due to its inability to produce any benefit, it's termed as a write-off. This action reflects that the asset is no longer valuable or receivable. For instance, if a business has a debt from a customer that it deems uncollectible, the business might write off that debt, meaning they accept they won't receive that money and remove it from their books. The term has been adopted into everyday English and can now be used in broader contexts outside of accounting. When someone says that something is a write-off, they might mean 1. A total loss. For example, if a car is so damaged that it's not worth repairing, it can be described as a write-off. 2. Something worthless or not worth considering. If someone refers to an event or day as a write-off, they might mean that it was unproductive or not worth the time. Example: today was a total write-off. I got nothing done because I was feeling unwell. 1. In an accounting context, the company had to write off a significant amount of bad debt this quarter. 2. Describing something as worthless. I think that old sofa is a write-off. We should get a new one. 3. Speaking about an event or situation. After the heavy rains, the outdoor event was a complete write-off. There you have it. The term, write-off, has its roots in accounting but has found its way into our daily conversations with a broader meaning. It's always enriching to learn the versatility of such terms in the English language. We hope this video has been insightful. Remember, every word and phrase you learn brings you one step closer to mastering the language. Happy learning!